Something that stood out to me with RMU's program was when I came in to interview. I just felt like I belonged and they had the resources that I would need to be successful as a student here, and I just knew I wanted to be here.
One of the things that led me to choose RMU was how supportive the faculty is. If you have any concerns or if you're behind in one of the classes, you can just go to their office. If the door's open, they're willing to talk with you.
There is not a week that goes by where students are not in the lab, usually multiple times, practicing the things that we're working on in the classroom. It's impossible to learn medicine without the hands-on element that comes with it.
It's unique to previous education where it can be cutthroat and you try to succeed. When here at RMU, it's very much kind of a family mentality where we're all striving to get through this program. We understand it's hard and we understand that certain individuals have strengths in other areas. So we try to build upon each other's strengths and get through this because it's difficult.
Everyone has each other's back. And so no one's left behind when we're taking exams, when we're studying. Everyone is welcome and they feel comfortable joining different groups, and it just feels really unified.
Students choose to come here for a variety of reasons, but they stay here because of who they are becoming as a result of learning the things that they're learning here.
Honestly, other universities I interviewed at, other experiences I've heard from the PAs that I worked with, when I tell them about my experience at RMU, they just say, "Oh, I wish we had that."